Hello everyone! Thank you for watching Sena's Trip Tips. This is Sena. We are at Miyako Island today and would like to take you on a drive along the southern coast of this beautiful island. So, let's go check it out! Hello everyone! Today we are at Miyako Island and today we are going to travel across the southern shore of Miyako Island. We're going to drive from the west side towards the east. We're going to just drive along the shoreline, the south coastline, and stop by pretty view spots, maybe some shops. It is a one-day journey that we will be looking forward to, and our main spot that we want to go to is called Nazaki. This is a cape at the very east end of the island, and apparently there is a lighthouse and it's one of the most famous view spots here on the island. There's supposed to be a 360-degree panoramic view, so I'm very much looking forward to it, and I'm sure a lot of beautiful scenery awaits, so let's go check it out. So we are at our restaurant that we would like to try out in Miyako. This is one of the most famous and popular Okinawa soba, Okinawa noodles restaurant. It's ranked #1 in TripAdvisor and also in Taberogo, which is the Japanese version of TripAdvisor. So it's the best #1 store in Miyako. So let's go check out their noodles. It should be nice. So I see lots of people here. It's a very, very old restaurant, opened from 1961. 3 generations have continued this restaurant, so it's like the very original, old-fashioned Okinawa soba that you can enjoy here. They open at 10:30 a.m. This restaurant is located in the southern part of Miyako Island. It takes about 20 minutes on the car if you drive from the city. We are gonna go for the most popular menu, which is the soki soba. The soup is clear. It's like very light fish broth. What makes the difference from other Okinawa noodles is that I think there's garlic inside. It's one of the best Okinawa sobas I've ever tasted so far. Look how soft it is. Whoa. It kind of just slips off the bone. Guess what this is? We get popsicles for dessert. We get it for free, I think. It's like ice cubes in brown sugar flavor. It's very refreshing and delicious. So this is one of the points that we can enjoy the views. It's like a small parking lot where you can stop the car along the way. You can see the whole southern coast on the left side of me. Beautiful nature, some buildings there, and of course the beautiful ocean and the waves from the top, so it's a very good scenery. Another viewpoint.
大変だね。
超大変。
イクバルが大きくなったら見せてあげよう。大変だったんだよって。
So everyone, we are at another stop point. It's called Muiga.
クジラが見えるってよ。
Yeah, I think there's times when you can see whales. That's very interesting.
冬だね多分。
And we came to find out that there is a limestone cave that we can visit. It's called Nakabi Cave. So let's go check it out. Woo, look at the view, it's amazing. Very nice view. Muiga Tenbodai. And we're gonna go down to the cave. Right, baby? You gonna go see the cave? The cave has been here since 300,000 years ago, so there's something to look forward to. These flowers, I love them. so pretty. Alrighty guys, we are gonna climb up these stairs. Let's go! Go baby, go!
Go!
Yes baby! Woo! Check out the view guys! So nice! Amazing view! Worth climbing. Woo, but hot. How long does this go? The scenery is very, very pretty. And you can feel the breeze. It's good because it's cloudy right now. If this was sunny, it's gonna kill me. Woo, look at that. Amazing. We thought there was a limestone cave because there was a signboard in front, but turns out we couldn't find the cave. But it turned out to be a great walk. A lot of stairs, but it's really worth it. It was so pretty. Now this, I have no idea where it is.
Turns out the cave was further north, and it's supposed to look like this.
じゃあ東に行こう。
Let's go further east. Let's go! We are driving along the cape towards the very eastern end of the island. I see the lighthouse. It's a one-way road that goes all the way straight up towards the end of the cape, and on both sides of me are beautiful sceneries of the ocean, and right in front you see the white lighthouse. It's gorgeous! So we are going to walk towards Nakabi, the very end of the cape. It's apparently about a 10-minute walk from the parking lot to the very end. It's very peaceful, quiet. You can just feel the breeze. It's very, very nice. And there's lots of space actually. So nice. So pretty. I am at the very end of Higashi Hennazaki. It's gorgeous! Lots of window! It is a 360-degree view. It is amazing! It's a bit scary because there's a lot of waves and it's a cliff. Wow! Look at those rocks! Look at that color, amazing. It's the beauty of nature. Looks like they did a sports tournament here. Yeah, they did an All Japan Triathlon here. I see lots of people visiting this area as well. Everyone thinks it's pretty. It is. It's very nice out here. As you can see, I am sweating like crazy. It's so hot. Oh my goodness. By the way, there's like a small shop at the parking lot. So you can grab a snack right over there, and there's vending machines, and I'm assuming there's a restroom there as well. I'm so glad we made it back to the car where we can enjoy the air conditioning. It was just so hot outside. I have wet hair. Do you know why? You poured water on yourself. We are at Marine Park. This is one of the parks where you can do snorkeling. As you can see, it is beautiful. It's just like a Japanese garden. It's a small area, but it's so pretty. You can see the bridge, and then there's the viewpoint up there on top of the hill, if you can see. The view from up there is gorgeous. You should check it out. The color of the ocean is emerald green and so pretty. The ocean is very calm right over here, so I think it is very good for small children. It is a beautiful place to snorkel at. It has a different taste from other beaches. Now we are gonna go to a cafe to get some rest, maybe eat some nice sweet cold sweets. Huh? We are at a cafe on the south coast. It's called Shima Cafe Jingaraya. So we just ordered and took a seat. So we are gonna chill for a while. We had a very hard day today. It was so hot. It's nice. Good, good, good. We are back at Yonahama on Miyako Island to see the sunset. This beach is said to be one of the best beaches to see the sunset on the island, so we are here to shoot some drone pictures and maybe take some pictures as well. The sunset today is, we looked it up, it's 7:24 p.m. There's about half an hour left until the sun sets. So there's a little bit of clouds today. It's just on the top part. So I'm assuming that we can see the sun set and hopefully the color would be beautiful. The color is pretty beautiful already and I see a lot of people here. How I wonder what you are. So we just saw the sunset. Unfortunately, it was a bit cloudy, but still it was very pretty. The colors of the clouds are so nice. Look at it right now. Look behind me. See how pink the clouds are? It's beautiful. Coming to the beach to see the sunset is also very nice, and the breeze feels nice too. So different from the daytime. So if you wanna check out pretty sunset, we recommend coming to Yonahama. So make sure to check it out.
And that's it! Thank you for watching Sena's Trip Tips. If you enjoyed the drive with us, give us a huge like. And if you would continue the journey with us, make sure to subscribe. Thank you!